Now what you've got in front of you here is the divider jig. And what that's going to do is it's going to help us put that central line, that central rebate, down to the center there. Now very first step is you lift this up, this section down the front up, you're going to slide your piece of timber in there. You're going to slide it all the way to the bottom there and lock it in there. Now what I noticed later was that this bottom piece was not cut square. I just used some scraps, it wasn't cut square, so it's a bit of a mess there. But ultimately what we're going to do then is you push it all the way to the bottom, you push this across as hard as you can. We're going to tighten these two screws here. Once again, we're using a screwdriver, not a cordless drill, because it's going to stop us from over tightening and threading the screws. We've got that one done. After you've done that, we need to use this lovely divider jig distance checker. And as you can see, that central line that you've done there, you're going to move this across there. Touch that, touch the line. Yep, get it on that line. Then you're going to set this one over here, this part of the template over here. We're going to tighten that up. Once again, using a screwdriver because we want it to stay nice and firm, but we also want to ensure that it's right. Now, if it's just off, what you can do is just give it a small tap with the screwdriver or a hammer, and you'll be able to realign that. Finally, what you need to come do from there, you need to come down and tighten these two screws down here. Ensuring to put the correct tension on there. Check that all up. Beautiful, she's looking good. From there, go through and double check that that's gonna sit there. Go put this in a vise with this section in the vise, and I'll see you in the next video to talk you through the routering.